Good morning. This is my demonstration for the UMBC Hackathon, September 2025. My project is a graphical user interface for CPSA, the Cryptographic Protocol Shapes Analyzer. This diagram shows the Needham-Schroeder protocol, which involves three messages sent between two parties to establish a secure exchange of keys for a session. In order for this protocol to be analyzed by CPSA, it has to be encoded into a format that it can understand. Here is the Needham-Schroeder protocol encoded in S expressions for CPSA to understand. As you can see, the three arrows in that diagram have expanded to 30 lines of code, but there's a lot of redundancy. Here we have messages sent, receive, send, and then we have the exact same messages, only with the direction reversed, receive, send, receive, for the two different perspectives, the two different participants in the conversation. This kind of redundancy we can take care of by generating the syntax from the diagram, which is what I have done. This is the application that I have written. I am going to create a new protocol, and it is the Needham-Schroeder protocol, so I am calling it NS. I'm now going to define some protocol-specific parameters, such as the cryptographic algebra that's going to be used. I am now going to add our participants, and I'm going to call them A and B. These two vertical lines will represent the two participants as the sequence of communication goes on. Okay, I'm now going to define the messages between them. The content of the messages I am copying from this actual implementation of the Needham-Schroeder protocol. The first message goes from A to B. The second message goes from B to A. Now that we have two messages in there, we could do more, but we're short on time. I am now going to export this to a text file. And I am going to call that test NS. It already exists because I've tested it before, but I'm going to replace it. I have now exported that to a file. The document is right here. And I open it up. And here we have something that looks very similar to the original Needham-Schroeder protocol that I was taking from. This is a prototype. It's not complete yet, so there are some parts that are missing. But what I will be able to do as I keep adding to it is to fill out the rest of this skeleton and produce all the artifacts from the CPSA so that we can completely define a protocol graphically using this point and click interface rather than typing the S expression syntax. Thank you for your time.